Here we go, fam. Round 5. We're about to kick it off. Nice morning for it. Top of the morning to ya. Smash. Go team! Nice. Shosses. Nice boys, nice boys, nice boys. Let's go team zigzag. Shafini. No, you're right, just yo, you can do that if you can't, yo. Shakongi. Nice team. Nice Bill. Yes. 30 seconds. Yep. Nice team. Let's go and backwards, boy. Backwards, backwards.
Go team!
Yeah, backwards. Let's go team.
Sharp team.
Nice team. Nice, 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 nice.
Boy, that's not the thing. Go team!
Nice Bill. There you go, Bill. Nice team.
Straighten up your lead, straighten up your lead. That's good.
Shots us, shots us. Nice. Shots us the thing, you got this, the thing. Come on, go. Come on, go. Nice. Way to work. Good go. Way to work, way to work.
Shop fans. Okay, let's go. Nice, ladies. Nice.
I don't know how to do it.
Now I gotta cut loose, foot loose, kicked off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up on my knee. Jack, get back, come on before we crack. Lose, don't lose, everybody cut foot loose. You're playing so cool. Oh, playing
Smashing it out there, team. Well done, team. Well done, team.
Did that cool rip.
Way to work, team. Way to work.
5, 2, 1.
Nice. Woohoo.
Friends, get a top and then move over. Look at me.
Well done, team. Is nice, ladies. Shot, team. Nice team. There, brother, smash it up, brother. Yeah, lad. Nice. Bigger cuts. Shot. Good workout. Shot, Roos. Nice bala. Nice team. 40 seconds into it. Let's move. Huh? Yeah, nah. Keep working. Oh, yo. Yeah, 30 seconds was gone ages ago. Let's go, team. Nice team.
Nice clean. Wasted time.
No, you will chase us. Shoulders, just to the cane and back. Yo, you got it, Roos. Nice, brother. Nice, Bella. There you go, sus. Nice one, ladies.
Shadow boxing that way.
Shadow boxing the other way, is it?
We've got a
Oh, you got a stitch. Sus, smash it up. Yeah, you can smash it up, bro. Easy work, sus. Easy work. You don't wear that Panthers jersey ever again. Come with the Warriors jersey, lad. Nice team. Let's go, team. Nice. There you go, Rito. Nice. Yeah, kiddies. Here. Come, Celine. Here. Yeah. Good boy, David. Shoot him. Side. Nice, David. Backwards. There you go. And inside again, David. Nice, baby. That's how you do it, kids. There you go. Nice, kids. Nice. There you go. And he backwards. There you go. 30 seconds. Into it. Let's go. Nice. There you go, Noah. Let's go, team. Come on, bro. You got to move. There you go. Smash it. You got it. There you go, sus. You got it. Nice. Smash it. Well done, ladies. Nice work. Nice, Bella. Shot 2. Nice. Yep. Out for you, kids. Just go there. Stand up and then jog back. Stand up, Noah, and jog back.
Can I just jog?
Yeah. Yo, you can, let the boys do it. Because the boys are tough, eh, boys? Celine, you're tough too. You're alright. Nice team. Okay, 30 seconds on now. 30 seconds on now.
30 seconds.
Nice team. Yeah, there we go, lads. Nice team. Nice, Bella. Shatash.
Can you tell me your last name?
Yeah, I'll be over here anyways. And push them. Nice team. Nice, Faithy. Go, Faithy. Well done. Nice, kids. Awesome. Shots us. Nice team. Nice, kids. Smash them froggies. Nice. Smash them froggies, kids. Way to work. Shadows. Nice team. Nice team. 30 seconds into it. Nice, kiddies. Come on, David, you can throw harder than that, man. Come on, show them. You're the leader, brother. There it is. Nice, boys. There it is. Woohoo! Yeah, keep moving. Shot, guys. Shot team. Nice team. Nice. Way to work, ladies. Way to work. Shadows. There he goes. Nice work. Well done, Us. Nice. Good work, Faithy.
Go Tina, 2 kick sets. And then when you get to your 1, you wait for your 30-second plank. Shot fam. If you finish, come and encourage. Nice team. 2 kick sets. Shot girls, shot Tina. Nice. 2 kick sets. Okay, Baba. Nice. 1 more walk and then we get in our plank.
Let's go.
Shot fans. Go Tina. Go Loma. Shot kitties. Hi, over here. Okay, we're gonna get down to a 30-second plank and then I'll give you a minute break to see what happens. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Nice fams. Sure, bums down. Thomas, get up. I'm gonna make you do a minute. Nice boys.
Last minute and a half. Give it your all.
Shahopi, Shafin, Shafeti, Shakongi. Nice. Oh, whoops. And time. Yay.
Show what you did.
Shafin. Nice. Woohoo. Shafin. Nice work. Yes, hey, for that, you're gonna do a 7. Shafins.
Where this guy told me because I was
Shot Davey.
Well done, sis.
Thanks, George.
Woohoo. Nice team. Well done. Well done, sis. How was it?
I'm dying. I can taste coming.
Oh my goodness. Hey, you worked hard for it. Sis. Nice. Hasta la. Shabagoose. Nice, pretty. Well done, team. Well done, team. Nice, brothers.
Someone wants to get into it.
Huh? Nice Bill. Shot. No. Shafini. Nice. Shafifi. Shatino. Nice team. Well done. That was a bit of a killer, but you're so up. You're so happy. Well done. Morning, Uso.
Morning.
All right. So, how was that training?
Definitely a painkiller. I mean, you can definitely feel it, especially the running circuit. The other circuit was pretty good. Both of them, definitely you can feel the
All right. So, what is your why?
probably most my mom and like training with her. Like yeah, it's just definitely being with my mom while she's training and like helping her out and like being with her
Good answer.
at these trainings and like just for myself as well to better myself through fitness and that and yeah.
Nice. Thanks for the time, brother.
Yep, put it back, come on, bullet, time, go! Nice. Winners, put it back, please. Let's go, Piamonte! Two. Fire, puta! Go, baby! Go, baby!
Hey, up for grabs!
3, 2, 1! Easy. Thank you.
Hey, Jacob. How was training, bro?
It was pretty tiring. Yeah, I'm dead now.
Good workout, also. All right, so can I ask you, bro, what is your why?
My why is my family, because they sacrificed everything they did for me. So just gotta try to give back to them. And yeah,
Nice answer, also. Thank you for your time, bro.
thank you.
Awesome. Hey, sis.
Hey,
How was that? How was training?
good. It was killer.
Killer?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, sis. I've got 2 questions, okay? So first question is, why did you join the challenge?
It was for my health, and also just to show my kids that living better is the way to go. Living a longer life. Yeah, so I did it for my children, my family.
Nice answer. Okay, second question is, what is your why?
My way is my parents, first of all, my kids, my family. We've tried to do challenges throughout the years, but we've never been successful in maintaining it. So hoping that this challenge can help me get it out there to my family.
Nice. Well done. Thank you for your answers.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Morning, Uzo.
Morning, coach.
Saturday.
How are you?
Yeah, good, Uzo. How was that? How was training?
It was really good. Good workout. Yeah.
Nice. Uzo, I got 2 questions for you, okay? Actually, first question is, how come you joined the challenge?
Yeah, there's a lot of good reasons why I joined, especially the meaning, the reason why it all started. And yeah, I think yeah, it's good energy, and yeah, just want to support and help one another.
Nice, Uzo. All right, brother. So what is your why?
My wife, my personal health, and also for my little girl, my daughter.
Well done, Uzo.
Yeah, and yeah, your loved one. So that's my way, and yeah, it's pretty cool.
Awesome, Uzo. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, coach.
Sure, Uzo.
3, 2, 1, everyone, hashtag why. Again. Everyone, hashtag why.